Hi everyone, and welcome back to our homeschooling journey. Today I do want to share with you guys the list that I put together of fine motor activities that we found throughout the year. It was our first year homeschooling preschool, so there were a lot of activities that I found on Pinterest, blogs, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. I did notice that some of the accounts were being deleted, meaning that some of the things that I saved were vanishing. This kind of scared me because I spent a lot of time looking up activities and saving them so that I can look at them for later use or later inspiration. I decided to put all the items that I screenshotted onto Canva, and this is what you're seeing on the screen. So far, this is a list of activities that I put together just for motor skills. It did take a while to do because if you're experienced with blogs, if you click on one thing, it takes you somewhere else and it opens another screen. So it was very chaotic to gather all these things, and I felt like this might be able to save another homeschooling mom a lot of time.